Are you looking to build muscle with push-ups? You're in the right place. Today, we'll discuss how many push-ups you should do daily and why they're a great exercise for muscle growth. Section 1: Benefits of push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises that target multiple muscle groups: chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. They help in building upper body strength and endurance while improving posture. Section 2: How many push-ups are enough? Right bracket.so. How many push-ups should you do daily to build muscle? It depends on your fitness level. Beginner 20 push-ups. Start with 3 sets of 10-15 push-ups. Focus on form and gradually increase reps. Intermediate 20-50 push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 20-30 push-ups. Add variations like incline or decline push-ups. Advanced 50+ push-ups. Perform 3-5 sets of 40+ push-ups. You can also try explosive push-ups or adding weights to your routine. Section 3: Tips for better push-ups. Keep your core tight and body in a straight line. Lower your chest all the way to the ground. Focus on controlled movements, not speed. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a number that challenges you and gradually increase over time. Push-ups are simple, but with the right approach, they can transform your fitness journey.